Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. It is the last video for this week, and today, since it is scorching hot, I wanted to show you guys how I created this very easy, delicious Dalgona coffee. You see this everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. So first, I'd like to show you guys my mixture. Here are the exact measurements ingredients. So 3 tablespoons of each: instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. And also you would need a whisk and a bowl. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a glass bowl in particular. It's just the one that I have. And this is the brand that we are going to be using today because this is the one that we have at home. Also, if you have brown sugar, it would be 10 times better because it will really give you that really delicious caramel taste. I actually have used brown sugar on the second mixture that I have made today, which is in the afternoon. So if you have brown sugar, go ahead and use that one because it is way more delicious. So after putting the 3 tablespoons of coffee in the bowl, I'm going to go ahead and apply the 3 tablespoons of sugar. And there you have it. And then after that, of course, we're going to add the hot water. Then you're going to go ahead and whisk until it's 20-21. So of course, if you whisk this for a very long time, it is going to be thick and rich and foamy and caramelly, and it will tend to stay longer on top of the ice and the milk that you just placed in your glass or whatever you want to put it. And of course, if you don't take the time, it will just go down like, in seconds you will see the coffee mixture falling down the glass. So if you were able to make this as thick as possible, then you won't really have any problem of the mixture going down even without any ice. So in my opinion, it definitely tastes exactly the same the way I make my iced coffee, but this one is just a little bougier version because we're creating that coffee foam. But normally what I do is that I just shove everything in a blender, and that's pretty much it. So it's going to be optional, but here's what I'm going to do with mine. You can just choose to just use ice if you wanted to. But me, I wanted to put 1 cup of ice, and this is what I love to partner with it. This Kirkland Organic lactose-free reduced fat milk. Of course, you can use soy milk or whatever. I'm just going to put 1 cup as well. Slowly, there we have it. And then after that, I'm going to be putting in our lovely mixture. I promise to you, if you follow the exact ingredients that I have shown you guys, it is thebomb.com. I saw people adding creamer. Just be careful on that, especially if it is sweetened. Just a reminder that we already have sugar in our coffee mixture, so you don't want it to be super, super sweet. This way, it is just so exact. How I personally drink this is that I actually use a straw, suck a little bit of that coffee foam mixture, and have a little bit of that milk. And I'm telling you, the approach is quite different. It's more adventurous in the mouth. That's what I'm going to say. So it's like a different type of feeling rather than just mixing them all together. Then it just tastes like, iced coffee, in my opinion. So I made another one in a wine glass because I wanted to be a little extra. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if the background is noisy, I do apologize. My mom is yelling at my brother because he bought something stupid online. So hope you guys enjoy the weekend. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!